how to find affiliate programs. One of the best places to start when building your affiliate website is investigating what affiliate programs are out there. In this lesson, we're going to teach you how to find affiliate programs. We'll give you a closer look at ClickBank, one of the largest affiliate networks on the internet and home to some pretty high commission products, and we'll show you some other networks to check out as well. But first things first, what is an affiliate network? Affiliate networks are the coordinators of the affiliate world. They coordinate between the merchant and the affiliate, are responsible for processing payments from the customer, keeping track of affiliate commissions, and paying affiliates. They're a very good place to start when you're looking for affiliate products to promote, since many will maintain a directory that you can browse by subject. Let's take a look at one such network, ClickBank.com. ClickBank is one of the best affiliate networks for digital products, like software or ebooks. The good thing about software and ebooks is that they tend to have a lot higher commissions than physical products. You can probably figure out the reason for that yourself. Software and ebooks have no manufacturing cost per item, so merchants don't have to worry about affiliate commissions cutting into their margins. Commissions of between 50 and 75% are reasonably common for digital products. If you click on Marketplace, you'll be taken to ClickBank's directory of affiliate products. Here you can browse through affiliate programs by subject. ClickBank provides some statistics on affiliate programs and their listings. The initial dollar per sale literally equals how much you can earn for each sale. The average percent per sale is what percentage of the sale price makes up your cut. Average rebill total equals if the product has recurring billing, for example monthly memberships, then this is the amount of money you might expect beyond the initial sale. If the product doesn't have recurring billing, this figure will be blank. Average percent rebill, this number is only shown if the vendor offers products with recurring billing and shows the average commission rate earned on that part of the income. Grav, well, that equals gravity, and gravity gives an indication of how hot a product is at the moment. Products with high gravity have a lot of affiliates making money selling this product, while those with low gravity have comparatively less affiliates selling the product. Take this figure with a grain of salt, since it's open to manipulation, but in general you'll probably want to look at products that have a decent amount of affiliate activity, since that obviously means that people are making money from them. Signing up to become a ClickBank affiliate is a fairly straightforward process. Click the sign up link at the top of the page, fill in the details as required, click submit, and follow the instructions from there. Once you have your ClickBank ID, you're able to promote any product on the ClickBank network. When you're browsing products, you'll see a link to promote. Click this, enter your ClickBank ID, and the site will generate your hop link, your affiliate link. You must use your hop link anytime you link to the merchant site. If you just link directly to the merchant site using the website's usual address, you won't receive credit for any visitors who click that link and then purchase, as they won't have been tracked. When you belong to an affiliate network, you're able to check how much you've earned by logging into your account and reviewing the statistics. ClickBank pools the commissions from your whole account into a daily amount, which is shown on the first page when you log in. You can also delve further into your statistics and break it down by product in the reports section. So that was a basic introduction to ClickBank. There are many other affiliate networks around. You just need to look. But for example, here are 4 that we think are also quite good. Pay.com, ShareSale, Linkshare.com, and ClicksGalore.com. Some affiliate programs operate outside of affiliate networks, so you won't see them listed in directories. Finding these affiliate programs is more word of mouth. You can look around at other affiliate sites in your market and see which products they're promoting, and then see if you can find a link to the affiliate program on the merchant website. You could also email the merchant directly and ask. It's quite simple. One other thing you may encounter is the invite-only affiliate program. Some sites restrict entry to their affiliate program to people who have already purchased their product, or they choose to approve affiliates on a case-by-case basis. This is to prevent affiliates from getting hefty discounts on their products by purchasing through their own affiliate links. If you contact the merchant directly and plead your case, they might let you in, but usually there's not much you can do aside from purchasing the product. Okay, so we've come to the end. And in this lesson, you've learned that affiliate networks coordinate between affiliates and merchants. They're responsible for tracking affiliate commissions, processing payments, and paying affiliates. How to find affiliate products in affiliate networks using ClickBank.com as an example. ClickBank.com is one of the largest affiliate networks for digital products. And how to sign up as a member of ClickBank, and some other affiliate networks you may wish to look at. And of course, some other ways of finding affiliate programs. They could be word of mouth, seeing what other affiliates are promoting, browsing websites, or emailing the merchant directly. So, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.